Well, hello everyone. I will be teaching you how to use a VGA cable and which is male to male, and you can buy this VGA cable in any computer shops or malls which is very near to you. And still this is optional, which is my laptop is not the same as yours and my TV is not as the same as yours. So let's get this one started off then. So your VGA cable should have a front like this one. The square should be in front. Connect your VGA cable to your laptop, which you can see there is mine, which is there is a VGA socket. It might be different from yours. Just find where is your VGA socket in your laptop or your PC. For your TV, connect the VGA cable to your VGA socket on your TV. It will be very different from your TV and to mine, so you should find where your VGA socket. Properly tight the VGA, or the second screen would not be on the center of your screen. To your laptop, right click and go to Personalize, as you can see on the screen, and then go to Display. And then go to Project to a second screen. Now you will see these types of project to a second screen, and this will be very different from yours. For your TV, it will be very different from yours. So you should find the input and find the PC, and it should be like this. Let's try the PC only. So, okay, so as you can see, which is the PC only, which means only your PC should be on the screen, and the other screen will not be showing. This will be the duplicate one. So what you're doing in your laptop will be showing in the second screen. And for the extend mode, this is what I was using for the Just Dance now. This is what you're gonna do. Just drag what is on your PC or your laptop on the second screen. And this is for the second screen only. It is so very useful. Like, you don't want to show what is on your PC, just the screen, and the second screen, I mean. That's it. That's only the end of the tutorial. I am so very thankful for the subscribe and the like and the dislike, everything that's good. So thank you so much for that.